And today we are here to be volunteering as staff members of their personal time and effort to come here really and commemorate the World Environmental Day by doing a cleanup of the Blanchisseuse Beach. A similar exercise is currently being undertaken at Sandy Point in Tobago. What we're hoping to achieve here today is a revolution of thinking, in a sense. So once we leave here today, we go back into our homes, our communities, our place of work, our places of entertainment, and begin to preach the message that we have to safeguard and protect our environment. So when persons come, it's not just about bringing the food and drinks to the area, but we have to remember to walk with a garbage bag and take away.
We are pleased to join with MP to participate in this cleanup exercise. And when it's completed, of course, I want to remind the users, when you come to the beach, walk with your bag and please walk away with your litter. Whatever you do here affects the entire world. So it's all about choices. It's all about what action you take affects the entire earth. And therefore we have a responsibility to remember that we are our brother's keeper.
We are really a blessed society. We are very fortunate for what we have. So it's something we have to protect. It's our own earth, so let's take care of it.